Major problems in developing countries. The major problems can be explained as follows. Number one, price rise. Number two, unemployment. Number three, lack of sufficient investment. The problems can be easily ascertained, but it is very difficult to redress them. I am trying to discuss them as follows. Price level rise means continuous rise in prices of goods and services. Principal reason of price rise can be ascertained as goods and services are in short supply. This is the result of insufficient production. Production depends on infrastructural facilities, which also depends on investment. Some of the goods which are much costly to produce at home but cheap to import can be imported. Due to climatic advantage and low labor cost, some goods can be produced in plenty for exports, which can be used to procure necessary investment goods, and short-term goods demand can be mitigated. State should give expertise and encouragement in the form of monetary help and withdrawing restrictions so as to create environment to increase production. Number two, unemployment can be reduced through investment of short term as well as long term. Short term investment intended to produce short term needs, that is current day to day needs. Long term investment will be more effective in reducing unemployment. Here, government's investment in the form of autonomous investment is very effective. These investments should be in the form of loans from different sources and deficit financing. To reduce unemployment in a sustained manner, heavy industry should be established, where income generated becomes a multiples of investment. A series of dynamic effect on investment, income, and unemployment will be followed. There are investments in each of developing countries. The investments are not sufficient to make the economy on the rail. Then question comes to our mind that what is the quantity of sufficiency of investment? This is a difficult question. It depends on the economy itself. The required investment is high when the country is less capital intensive method of production. Economists estimated that it should be more than 25% of GDP. Then the question comes to our mind that how the country can manage such an investment. Partly this investment should be made available by the government, partly from long-term loans from world agencies and developed countries and private sectors as well. Thank you for sharing. Please subscribe my channel.